Have you only made popcorn in the microwave? No worries, I've got you covered. I'm gonna show you how to do it on the stovetop. I'm Michelle from Cup of Zest, and I cannot wait to make popcorn with you because you know what? Cooking it on the stovetop is super easy and a lot of fun, plus you get to control all the toppings. All right, let's get started. Before we start, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, make sure to subscribe now so you don't miss out on any of the retro recipe fun. All right, so let's get started on our popcorn. So I'm using canola oil. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons into our large pot. Next, we need a half a cup of popcorn kernels. That's about a half cup. Before all of these go into the pot, we're actually going to start with 3 kernels. We're gonna put them into the pot as our little testers. They're gonna show us that the oil's hot enough for us to add the rest of the popcorn so it pops properly. Now we're gonna turn this on to medium-high heat. Now we're just gonna wait for these little kernels to pop in. So there are 2 reasons I wanted to show you how to pop popcorn on the stovetop. Number 1, it's so easy and fun. And secondly, my grandma Jean used to make popcorn on the stovetop for me all the time. And it just is like such a good, happy, early memory. You know, I think you should give it a try and make some fun memories with your family and friends. Our 3 test kernels are starting to pop. Oh my God, so exciting. Got 1 done. Come on, little guys, they can do it. I believe in them. 2 have popped, we're waiting for that 3rd one. It's almost there, I feel it. Oh, okay, yep, there it is. All right, so we're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna remove the pot from the heat as well. Pull out these 2 little popcorn kernels that are left. And now we gotta add all of our popcorn kernels. We're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna give this pot a little shake so the kernels get evenly coated in oil. Now we're gonna wait for about 30 seconds until the kernels heat up evenly, and then we're gonna put it back on the stovetop. So the reason we wait 30 seconds for the kernels to heat up evenly is so the popcorn pops evenly and you don't get any burnt pieces because no one likes burnt popcorn. We want perfect popcorn, right? Yeah, you do. All right, back onto the stovetop it goes. Medium-high heat again. This time we're gonna put the lid slightly ajar. So the reason the lid's offset like this is so some of the steam can escape, which will let you have perfectly crisp popcorn. So every once in a while, you wanna give this popcorn a little shake so everything stays nice and even in the pot. And now we just wait. Can you hear them? Oh my gosh, so exciting. It's gonna take about 2 or 3 minutes for all the kernels to pop and we're gonna have amazing popcorn. So exciting. Remember, give this pot a little shake every once in a while. So your popcorn is done when you hear the popping slow down, which it's pretty slow now. We're gonna give it another second. Yep, I think that's good. We're gonna take it off the heat. So we're gonna let this sit for a little bit until it calms down, and then we're going to eat this popcorn. Cannot wait. All right, our popcorn is ready. Oh my goodness, look at this gorgeousness. Our popcorn is ready. We're gonna eat it soon. But first, we gotta top it with delicious seasonings and toppings, whatever you want. Oh my goodness. Look at that, gorgeous. All right, so you can top your popcorn with whatever you like, but I am gonna keep it simple with a little sea salt. And it's really important that you put seasonings and spices or whatever onto your popcorn while it's still warm. That's really gonna help it stick onto the popcorn itself. A little toss. Oh my God. I cannot wait to eat all of you. I'm a handful kind of person, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna like kind of go for it. Perfect. Super crisp. Nice and salty. Everything you could ever want in popcorn. I hope you like this video and you make some popcorn on the stovetop at home. Let me know how it goes, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any retro recipes that are coming up. Talk soon!